When my strength is gone, you're still my friend. Every whispered prayer, every silent tear, you were standing close, though I couldn't see you near. When I planted seeds in the barren ground, still no faithful promise was all around. Though I walked by faith, and not by sight, you were writing morning through my darkest night. You have never failed. You have never failed. You have never changed. You have never changed. Every word you've spoken forever will remain. He is a rewarder, faithful and true. Every promise He has spoken, He will bring you through. Hey, He rewards the faithful who seek Him every day. Not because we earned His love, but because He made the way. He is a rewarder. His mercy never ends. He opens heaven's windows and calls His children friends. Some are searching for silver and gold, some are chasing treasures that soon grow old. But one touch from Jesus is worth far more than all the riches this whole world stores. He gives peace that money cannot buy, hope that lives when dreams have died, joy that sings through every storm, grace that keeps a weary heart warm. Keep believing still, don't let go today. He knows your tomorrow. He's leading all the way. He is a rewarder, faithful and true. Every promise He has spoken, He will bring you through. He rewards the faithful who seek Him every day. Not because we earned His love, but because He made the way. He is a rewarder. His mercy never ends. And He opens heaven's windows and calls His children friends. Seek Him while He may be found. Lift your eyes from earthly ground.